given two coordinates and asked to find the midpoint, we're going to use the midpoint formula, which is this right here. To finish filling it out, if you don't have it in your notes, it's x1 plus x2 divided by 2, and then y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Since we're just adding up two values and dividing by 2, all we're really doing is finding the average of the x coordinate and the average of the y coordinate. So let's take a look and find the coordinates of, or the midpoint of, the coordinates of the midpoint of this segment down here, which seems kind of silly because we can just see from the graph what the midpoint should be, but we'll use that just to check the problem when we're done. So for example, let's go ahead and, if you're new to these, what you might want to do to start is label your coordinates. So for example, this is x1, that's y1, x comes first, y second. This is just x2, and that's y2, just saying the first and second coordinates. And then let's go ahead and use our formula. I usually do this in a little chart type thing. So for example, I'm going to start with my x values. My x1 is -2, and I'm going to add that to my x2 value, which is a 4, and then take half of that. -2 plus 4 is 2, and then 2 divided by 2 gets me a 1 for the x value. Let's do the same with our y coordinates. So I'll label that y. My y values are a 5, my y2 value is a 3, and then I'll take half of that because I want to find the middle, the average of it. So 5 plus 3 gets me 8, half of 8 gets me 4. With any good coordinate, you want to make sure that you have a comma between your x and y values and parentheses around that. So the coordinates of my midpoint should be 1, -4. And then again, if we just use this graph over here to double check it, it looks like, yes, that's absolutely the coordinates of my midpoint, 1, 4. If you got that problem, I want you to go ahead and pause the video, try one on your own right now. In a minute, my work will pop up so you can check your answer. And if you didn't get that, watch the video again, or email me a question or ask me in class. There you go. Hopefully you ended up with a midpoint coordinate of 3, 1.5.